how to change distance and fuel units on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the instrument cluster. Here you can navigate by using the arrows left and right and confirm options by pressing the OK button. You can also use the OK button as a scroller up and down. Alright, if you know the basics, let's just jump into the dashboard. Let me make it bigger for you. Here let's use the arrows to highlight the settings, press OK to confirm it. Then let's scroll down, and if you scroll down far enough, you should find here unit and language. Here let's tap distance and fuel, and you can change the following settings right here. So this option lets you change how the car calculates distance and fuel consumption numbers. You can use it to switch the dashboard indicators between kilometers and standard imperial units like miles. So you have to decide either you would like to kilometers and kilometers per liters or kilometers per 100 kilometers. I think liters per 100 kilometers are the most useful and the most common. So I will leave it like that, but you have to decide which of them is the best for you. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.